Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to get the best Flixbus promo codes and discounts in 2025 from student deals to clever booking hack so you can travel smart and save big. Let's jump in. Here you can see the flexbus.com. The first step is official Flexbus coupons. Your first move, check Flexbus official site and apps. Coupon sheets like coupon box currently is 15% off Flexbus in July. Here you can see and go to the Flexbus coupons. You can see these coupons. Here 10%, 15% is the copy the coupon and site like coupon promo codes highlights codes like 15% off. Use these codes at checkout by clicking enter voucher. Students and military discounts. If you are a student or veteran, you can save more. Students get 10 to 20% via NDAs or students beans confirm 15 to 20%. Military members get 10% off through VAT rewards or share ID. That's solid savings if you qualify. Book through the apps and newsletter. Install the Flixbus mobile apps. It include apps only deals, sometimes up to 40% off select routes. Also sign up for the newsletter to get early access to executive offers. Top Flixbus offers 15% flat 15% off code on bus ticket booking over. Then you can copy the code Flixbus coupon code discount and validity. Use third-party promo site and codes. Check coupon aggregators sites list codes. Radiate user share valuable tickets. Changing the language to Turkish prices are even cheaper. No service fees. Another user confirms a code. This smart community shared method can lead to real savings. First, you have to check the use official sites codes. Get student or military discount 10 to 20%. Book apps plus newsletter for exclusive deals. Check coupon sites for codes like this. You can see this for lucky 20 copy. Try language switch hack to catfish. Stay safe, avoid unverified voucher sales. And there you have it. That's how to shank the best Flixbus promo codes in 2025. Travel smarter, pay less. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe the channel.